Hey there, Shopify merchants! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to elevate your e-commerce game. We're going to show you how to configure shipping options in Shopify. There are 7 steps in total, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up shipping methods that suit both your business and your customers. Let's get started. Why is configuring shipping options so important? Properly setting up your shipping ensures that you provide accurate shipping rates, avoid unexpected costs, and deliver a better customer experience. It can also help increase your conversion rates by offering flexible shipping methods. Let's start by accessing your shipping settings in Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Settings, and then select Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll configure all your shipping options. The first thing you need to do is set up your shipping rates. Under the Shipping section, click on Manage Rates next to the shipping profile you want to edit. Here, you can add different shipping zones and rates based on your business needs. For example, you can create shipping zones for domestic and international shipping and set specific rates for each. Make sure to include all relevant details such as weight-based rates, price-based rates, or carrier-calculated rates. Offering free shipping is a great way to attract more customers. To set this up, go back to your shipping rates and create a new rate. Set the price to free shipping and define the conditions, such as minimum order value. Make sure to clearly communicate your free shipping policy on your website to encourage larger orders. If you have a physical store or warehouse, offering local delivery and pickup options can be very beneficial. In the shipping and delivery settings, scroll down to local delivery and local pickup to configure these options. Set the delivery areas, fees, and any conditions for local delivery. For local pickup, specify the locations where customers can pick up their orders. To optimize your shipping setup even further, you can use apps from the Shopify App Store. But how do you choose the best one? That's where Taranker comes in. Taranker offers comprehensive reviews and comparisons of various shipping optimization apps, helping you make an informed decision. Go to taranker.com and navigate to the Orders and Shipping Apps category. Here, you can explore the top free apps, top 20 apps 2024, and best apps lists. You can also use the Compare feature to evaluate different apps based on user reviews and detailed comparisons. Once you've selected the shipping app that fits your needs, you can proceed to install it through the Shopify App Store. For this example, we'll use ShipStation. Search for ShipStation on Taranker, click Install App, and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open the app and connect it to your Shopify store. ShipStation helps streamline your shipping process by providing features like automated shipping rules, discounted rates, and multi-carrier shipping. After setting up your shipping options, it's important to monitor and adjust them as needed. Use Shopify's built-in analytics to track your shipping performance and customer preferences. Regularly review your shipping settings to ensure they are still aligned with your business needs and make adjustments based on feedback and performance data. And that's it! You've learned how to configure shipping options in Shopify in 7 steps. By following these steps and leveraging the right tools, you can offer your customers flexible and accurate shipping options, enhancing their shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taranker for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!